Dear consumers, happy National Consumer Rights Day. This National Consumer Rights Day has been celebrated every year on December 24th since 1986 as the Act was enacted on that day. This day is celebrated for the welfare of the consumers, for protecting the rights of the consumers, to make awareness in the consumers. This day is celebrated with a theme every year, with a different name. This theme is, that is 2020 theme is, the new features of the new act. That is means new features on the new act means the Consumer Protection Act 2019. Okay, what are the new features? Keeping view the common man, keeping view the consumers, to strengthen the rights of the consumers. In new act, the new features have been established. Say for example, the consumer can file a case where he resides. Earlier it was, that provision was not there. Say for example, if you purchase a product in Mumbai or Delhi, if the consumer belongs to Vijayawada, earlier he used to go to Mumbai or Delhi where he purchased the property where the opposite party stays, then he used to file the case there. That is not now. Now, the consumer can file a case where he resides. That's the big advantage. This is called territorial jurisdiction. And another thing is, even in, for example, District Commission is in Vijayawada. If the consumer stays somewhere else in the district corner like that, if he doesn't come, if he cannot come, he can file the complaint online. So e-filing is there. That is another facility, another main feature is that. So that is the big facility for the common, lower poverty consumers. Another thing is, the consumer can file the case with free of cost up to the claim of 5 lakhs. Really, this is a very good facility for the common man. See, up to 5, generally whatever we purchase, common man purchases, it will be below definitely 5 lakhs. So keeping that in view, they have done that. So this is another good thing. And coming to the pecuniary jurisdiction. What is the pecuniary jurisdiction? Earlier, the District Commission, the name of the District Commission is District Forum. District Forum has got the pecuniary jurisdiction up to 20 lakhs. State Commission has the jurisdiction, pecuniary jurisdiction from 20 lakhs to 1 crore. Whereas the National Commission has the jurisdiction from 1 crore to and above. From 1 crore and above. So this is the earlier thing. Now, this has been enhanced. Even for District Commission, it has given up to 1 crore, and for State Commission from 1 crore to 10 crores, and for National Commission above 10 crores. This is the pecuniary jurisdiction. Even in that, there is an exemption. Okay. For example, generally, common people and other people do the insurance. If the insurance claim is 15 crores or 20 crores like that, where he has to file the case? He has to go to the, as per the pecuniary jurisdiction of the new act. What do you think? You have to go to the Delhi and to file it in the National Commission, because the pecuniary jurisdiction is above 10 crores. But here it is not that. There is a recent National Consumers Disputes Redressal decision is, even for claim of above 1 crore, if the consideration is below 1 crore, generally, even if we do insurance for 15 crores or 20 crores, whatever it is, the premium will be generally less. It will be thousands or lakhs. So, definitely it comes under District Consumer Commission, District Consumer Court. So, you need not go to the Delhi for National Commission. You can file the case even for 15 and 20 crores claim also. You can file it in District Consumer Court. This is very, very important with regard to the pecuniary jurisdiction. Not only these things, another advantage in this new act is mediation. Earlier it was not there. Mediation cell is going to be formed. What is the nature of the mediation cell? See, District Commission, a State Commission or National Commission will appoint some mediators as mediation cell, and 2-3 members will be there. They will settle the matters with the agreement of both the parties. Once the matter is settled in the mediation cell, the advantage is there is no question of appeal. This is very good thing. See, earlier what was happening? Even if it is settled in District Commission, appellate authority is the State Commission. Again, appellate authority is the National Commission. Again, appellate authority is Supreme Court. Like that, it was around years together it used to take. So, now the facility for mediation is there is no question of appeal if that matter is settled through mediation appointed by the District Commission or other commissions. This is very good advantage. Like that, e-commerce provision is there now, and particularly there was no earlier regulatory authority. Now the regulatory authority called CCPA. CCPA means Central Consumer Protection Authority. This is very good. A regulatory authority has been introduced now in the new act. What is that? This has got command, and they can take action over unfair trade practices. That is very important. See, earlier only direct selling. All direct selling rules are applicable to now e-filing, e-commerce. So even if you book through Amazon, Flipkart like that, you can take action. So in those things, what is happening there? Unfair trade practice is going on. So to control the unfair trade practices, mainly misleading advertisement, false publicities. All these things will come under CCPA. CCPA have the regulatory authorities. Like this, so many features are there in the new act. Please, members, use these facilities and make awareness to the others and get good compensation if they violate the rights of the consumers. Thank you. Thank you very much.